Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to build a realistic elevator in Minecraft. Creating a realistic elevator in Minecraft involves some creativity and the use of game mechanics. Here's what you're going to do. Decide on the elevator's design. It could be a simple platform that moves up and down, or even a water-based elevator using soul sand and bubble column. Collect the necessary materials. For a basic platform elevator, you'll need blocks to build the structure and a slime block to make the platform bounce. Construct a vertical shaft for the elevator. Place the slime block on the lowest platform. Stack platforms above it, leaving enough space for a player to stand. Redstone's elevator uses pistons to move block vertically. To make your elevator realistic, you can decorate it with details like lightning, walls, or even use texture packs to make it look like a real elevator. You'll need to add a way to activate the elevator. This could be a button, pressure plate, or tripwire. And that's how to build a realistic elevator in Minecraft. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.